Hello students, now we are going to solve question number 13th of exercise 4.2. This question says that 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab minus 2b. This is our first row. Second row is 2ab 1 minus a square minus b square 2a, and third row is 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now to solve this, it is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. The question is whole cube. Now what we do, we use properties of determinants. So we have to use property, we have to change column. Now we are going to do we are going to make zeros. Okay, so for first column, what we have to do, we have to multiply equation column third by b minus b and add to first column. Now what will happen, that 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2b square, it is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square. Now minus b into 2a, it is minus 2ab. When it is added to 2ab, it will be 0. Again minus b plus b a square b plus b cube. When it is added to 2b, it will be b plus a square b plus b cube. Now we can take 1 plus a square plus b square common from first column. Similarly, we can make 0 here by multiplying column third by a and adding it to column second. Now multiplying column third by a, so minus 2ab plus 2ab equals to 0. Now 2a square, question is minus a square plus b square. Now 2a square plus 1 minus a square plus b square equals to 1 plus a square plus b square, and a into minus a square minus ab square plus a, when it is added to minus 2a, we can take minus a common. So we have two column operations. First column operation is c1 equals to c1 minus bc3, and second column operation is c2 equals to c2 plus ac3. Now after applying this column operation, we have 1 plus a square plus b square 0, 2b minus b plus a square b plus b cube in first column. Now we can take b common, so we will get 1 plus a square plus b square. Now in second column, if as we are applying c2 plus ac3, then the first term of this column is 0. Now 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square minus 2a plus a minus a cube minus ab square. Now we can see 1 plus a square plus b square 0, b into 1 plus a square plus b square 0, 1 plus a square plus b square minus a into 1 plus a square plus b square. Now third column is minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square plus b square. Now from first column and second column, we can take 1 plus a square plus b square common. So we have to apply operation c1 equals to c1 upon 1 plus a square plus b square. c2 equals to c2 upon 1 plus a square plus b square. So it will make 1 plus a square plus b square whole square outside the determinant. Now the determinant will change into 1 0 b 0 1 minus a minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now we have to change this column third, and we want to make number of zeros in column third. So what we have to do is, we are using operation column operation c3 equals to c3 plus 2b c1 minus 2a c2. So 2b c1 and minus 2a c2. So first column is, third column is minus 2b. We are multiplying 2b to first column and 2a to second column. So 0 into 2a is 0. So 2b minus 2b plus 2b is 0. Now we will get 0 here. Again c3 equals to 2b plus 2b c1 minus 2a c2. So 2a plus 0 into 2b 0 minus 2a c2 minus 2a into 1 is 0. So we will get second element of column third is 0. And now 2b c1, 2b into b, and minus 2a into minus a, it will be 2a square and 2b square, which will be added to third element of third column. So it will make 1 plus a square plus b square. Now we can see that if we expand in terms of first row, so 1 0 0 0 1 0 b minus a and 1 plus a square plus b square. So we can directly multiply the diagonal elements, because all the elements above the principal diagonal are 0. So we can multiply it. So, or you can expand in terms of R1. So on expanding in terms of R1, you will get 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, 1 into 1 into 1 plus a square plus b square, which will make 1 plus a square plus b square equals to b square whole cube, which is equal to RHS, our right hand side. Now second question is question number 14th, where LHS equal to a square plus 1 AB AC AB B square plus 1 BC AC CB C square plus 1, and we have to prove it is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Now what we have to do, we have to divide first row by a, second row by b, and third row by c. Now on dividing first row by a, we have to multiply the determinant a by a. On dividing second row by b, we have to multiply the determinant by b. On dividing third row by c, we have to multiply the determinant by c. So we have a, b, c outside the determinant. Now what we will get is a plus 1 upon a, b, c in first row, a, b plus 1 upon b, c in second row, a, b, c plus 1 upon c in third row. Now what we are going to do is, we have to multiply column first by a. Why? It will make it a square plus 1 a square a square, and we have to multiply column second by b. It will make it b square plus 1 b square. Again column third by c square and c square plus 1. So we are going to operate in first column, second column, and third column. C1 equals to a c1, c2 equals to b c2, c3 equals to c c3. Now since we are multiplying each column by terms, so we have to divide determinant by ABC. So the ABC divided by ABC is 1. So we have a square plus 1 b square c square, a square b square plus 1 c square, a square b square c square plus 1. Now if we add the column, second column and third column into first, what will we get? We will get a 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So we are applying the operation c1 equals to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Now first column is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and second column is b square plus 1 b square c square c square plus 1. Now what we have to do is to make 1 in first column. So we are taking 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common. So we have to divide each element of column first by 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Now since we are dividing each term by 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, so we have to multiply determinant by 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So we have 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square outside the determinant, and there are 3 ones in first column. 1 b square c square, 1 b square plus 1 c square, 1 b square c square plus 1. Now after getting 3 ones, we can make 2 zeros and expand in terms of c1. So what we are going to do is, we have to subtract second row by first row and third row by first row. Since we have to use operation R2 equals to R2 minus R1, R3 equals to R3 minus R1. Now the most important thing is, we are subtracting R1 from both the rows. We are not indulging ourselves into R2 minus R1 and R3 equals to R3 minus R2. It will create more confusion. So what we have to do is, we have to use operation R2 equals to R2 minus R1 and R3 equals to R3 minus R1. So it will make 0 here and here. Now we are operating it. So we will get 1 0 0, b square 1 0, c square 0 1. Now we can multiply all the diagonal elements, or we can expand in terms of C1. We will get 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, which is equal to our RHS. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much.